When I tell you this recipe was literally not going to make it up here because I didn't have any plans of recording, I was like, just do it, Misha. Just do it. It's a fresh, delicious, easy to make, super fast, chicken recipe. Just do it, show your followers, and be done. This day was a very rough mom day, and I just wanted to knock dinner out really, really quickly and be done. So I'm gonna season up my chicken with this smash burger seasoning. It's just salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder. That's all that's in there to me anyway. That's what I see, and that's what's on the bottle, plus some other things, but it's not important. Salt, pepper, garlic, onion. Next, I'm going to add this chicken seasoning. Both are McCormick. They're my favorite because they're a one-stop shop. I buy them all the time. I use them multiple times a week. It's one-stop shopping. I don't have to think about anything. I know it's enough salt, enough seasoning in it. This is not promo, by the way, but I'm just letting you guys know why I use it so much. And now I'm just going to mix it up and get the seasonings all over, the spices all over the chicken. I didn't marinate it, so I'm not going to lie. It marinated for 45 seconds while I turned the stove off and got the skillet hot. That's how long it marinated for. Okay, maybe 45 seconds is a reach. It's probably 3 minutes. But all in all, what I'm saying is I didn't allow it to marinate. I just wanted to be done. So this is my skillet nice and hot. I always add a piece to make sure it's hot enough. At this point, your skillet needs to be screaming hot, as a matter of fact. It really does. I'm on medium-high heat. I'm going to add all my chicken down in there. The pieces that are on top of each other, I'm going to spread them out and make it a single layer. And do not touch it. Okay? Do not mix up. Don't mix up the chicken. Don't mix up the chicken. Just spread out the chicken. Don't mix it up. All right, so once I get that done, just like this, I get it nice and seared on the bottom so it could be caramelized, because that, caramelization is what's going to contribute to the color and the texture and the sauce of the dish. And so you have to get a deep dark color into it. And this is what I did right here. Look at this. This is no sauce. I added nothing else here. This is just the chicken, the butter, and the oil. That's it. So you want to add your veggies. So you want to add your mango, your peppers, your scallions, your garlic, all down in here. The tomatoes are going to assist with, with the sauce, and the mangoes as well. And you want to mix this up just like I'm doing here. Get it nice and evenly placed in the skillet. Next, you're going to go around your pan one time with some water, not too much. Remember, when you cover this and put it on medium heat, it's going to create its own juices, and it's going to look like this. Now, if you had put a ton of liquid in there, it would have been too much, because you're not trying to cook this forever. It's chicken breast. You don't need to cook it forever. You just want the tomatoes and mangoes to break down and create that Swiss that we all love and need and want. But that's what the chicken looks like once it's done. It took about 25 minutes. So now I'm just going to plate it up. There is rice on the plate. The camera lighting is just off, but there's rice on the plate. And now you're going to put the beautiful chicken down. Look how beautiful this chicken is. It was delicious, by the way. And you could just adjust the seasoning to how you prefer, But this was it. I was done in like 45 minutes, child. I had to get up out of this kitchen and just enjoy the rest of the evening once I put my baby down, because this day was a mess. But this is what the plate looks like. So pretty, so delicious. The cucumbers were afterthought. I didn't make an extra vegetable. And this is the chicken, nice and tender. So if you like this recipe, if you try it, tag me and let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up and a comment. And leave your suggestions as well. Okay, guys. Bye.